Hello everyone, today we're going to first start
Chairs.
the video off by
With
watching
Repl.it.
this video on
Hello,
Python,
this is going to be a tutorial for
and
Python
then
Turtle.
we will do some coding
So
of our
you
own.
may be wondering, what is Python Turtle? Well, Python Turtle is like a canvas where you can draw all kinds of pictures and shapes. And here are some examples of what those could look like. So some people have drawn flowers, trees, and sometimes even games. So once you get familiar with these types of functions, then you'll be able to make any type of game or shape or picture that you would like. We're going to be drawing this penguin today. But first we're going to go over all the functions that we will need to draw it. So you will always need to start by typing from turtle import star. And star means everything in this case. So what that does is it gives you access to all of the functions and commands that you will need for making pictures. So let's get into the functions now. So I'm going to make a comment here, and the way you do that is with a hashtag, and anything that is in gray and has a hashtag, that's
Okay, I hope you guys understood that. And now it's time to start doing some REPL in Python with Turtle. So basically, you know this, right? But let's start with the simple function, which is the print function. Just say my name is Jeff, anything. Just click run. You see it'll come down in the terminal, which is labeled console. Now let's start trying to do something. So from Python, from turtle, import star, import. You also want to import turtle as p. And then you can say p.forward 21. Now let's see what this does. See, this is 21 units. So let's say here we want to do the line color. So let's say we want to do something for C in red, green, blue, and yellow. We could also say something like, yeah. So this is gonna be basically the color. And also t.forward, just say whatever you want. I'm gonna say 100, and of course t.left is always gonna be 90 if you want to do a 90 degree turn. Yeah. Oh, oopsies, I meant P. P and P. You see, this is a bigger circle, and now we can try to do something like maybe we could try to do yes, one of my favorites, four concentric shapes. So just get that. You'll see that some functions are easier to use than others. So, and today we're going to be creating some basics. And I have a bunch of shapes that you might want to create. And we're going to be creating four concentric shapes. if it's 4 concentric shapes. So I'm gonna name this something random like that. And then if shape equals to h, then you could say then side equals to 6. And you'll do that until you get your way. So you're gonna figure out all the angles, and there. You'll figure out all of your angles. Then you can do what I call 1 equals to a niche. We're going to define that. Or I in range times dot color yes. And we shall finish it off with this phone. With this. And of course, we can finish it also with this piece of code. Let's say I want my Rio. You see that this will create a my Rio, just so many sides. So thanks for listening, and this was a rundown of how to create 4 concentric shapes. In the links to this video, we will send all of the